Hey guys, do you play the game FR Legends? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the FR Legends, guys, onto your phone without jailbreaking or computer. So as you can see, guys, I got unlimited money right there. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this crazy FR Legends hack onto your device. It's super insane, guys, and this is a fully working tutorial. So let's get right into it. Guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich in the FR Legends, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So the first step, guys, is going to be going onto this site right here, and then we're just going to type in FR Legends, and as you can see, it downloads straight away. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane, and it's a fully updated tutorial. So yeah, peace out, guys. But if you go to the App Store and type in FR Legends, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to do this. So as you can see, if we type in FR Legends, you can see if we go to in-app purchases, it's very expensive. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane and it's totally no ban method. As you can see, I have so much money, guys, so be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe, guys. This is super awesome. It totally works. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, get the word out about this method, guys, because it is no ban, totally legit tutorial, and I'm really just someone that needs a lot of money in FR Legends, and now I have it. So I wanted to make this tutorial just to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, just go onto this site, zoomods.com, and type in FR Legends, and then you're going to be all set. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, and it's a no-ban method, so this means you're going to be a little bit different than other players who might be getting banned, because this hack doesn't get you banned or anything. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and get the word out about this tutorial. So yeah, if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'll see you guys later, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this method. Peace out.